Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got the 100mph Traxxas Slash Project out with me once again. And today our goal is to reach 100 miles per hour. That is the goal today, guys. I know this setup's capable of it. You guys have seen it's gotten up to 99.9. But we are going to be attempting it with the body on. Now, the only difference from the last time that I had it out is I put brand new tires on it. So these D-Boot Hoons, these are the gold label. So you can see how the lettering's gold. So these ones have better grip because the compound of rubber is different from the white lettering ones. So hopefully that extra grip will get us up to those speeds. The only disadvantage is it's not as good when it comes to the top end. So it's not rated for as high as speeds, but I think we still should be able to get up over 100 miles per hour. At least that's the goal. And the other thing I did since the last video was I basically just zip tied the wheelie bar back on, just zip tied the absolute crap out of it to get that to hold on. And the only reason is because if this thing does start to lift up in the front, I just want that to drag and prevent this thing from basically going wheels up and flying over itself. But this is what's going on. Sorry about, there's traffic going by, but this is what's going on right here, guys. Exact same setup, still running the 34 tooth pinion and the 54 tooth spur gear. That, of course, is an axial Yeti XL motor. It's a 2200 kV brushless motor. And this right here is a Spectrum Firma 150 amp ESC. The other thing that you guys may notice is I have got GPSs hooked on. I got two. I bought two new ones. I bought a new one of the ones that I have been using, these Mylan ones. And then I went out and I bought this other one. And so I'm figuring having both on here, I should be able to pick up a pretty accurate top speed, and hopefully they should be able to verify one another. So let me go ahead and hook up my 6S pack. This, of course, is a 6,000 milliamp 100C discharge rate 6S LiPo. And it has an EC5 plug, which is compatible with the IC5, which is what this ESC runs. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna hook it up and we're gonna go ahead and do some passes. All right, guys, I have got the battery hooked up. I have the GPSs turned on. They are both set to record the maximum speed and they're both zeroed out. So this one right here also is set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna throw this body on right here and we're gonna try to do some passes. And I need to watch out because I need to be careful that I don't catch this splitter on any of the little rough spots in the road. Any of those uneven little spots where there's cracks, because I've caught this splitter on one before out here and it completely just broke the splitter. I had to Gorilla Glue it on. So I do have to be careful about that. I have been told by people that I should be weighting this thing down, but because this splitter sits so low, I've chosen not to do that. That splitter's already almost touching the ground and I've got these preload adjusters already set down, basically screwed down about as far as they can go. So I don't want to weigh the front end down at all. So we're going to attempt this with the body on. We'll see, I might attempt it with these flaps down, but let me go ahead, get it thrown on, and we're going to jump right in this video. All right, guys, this is the moment of truth for the 100mph Traxxas Slash Project. Are these vents going to do anything, or is this thing going to have a parachute effect? We will see. So we're going to go ahead and take it down here and see about doing some passes. I'm going to ease on the throttle. I need to be very, very careful. I need to pick the line that I'm going to do, like exactly, because I need to make sure I don't hit any rough spots. I know there's a rough spot right over here that I need to avoid, and then the GPS has issues getting a signal down this way. So I think I have to walk down that way a little bit, and then hopefully down that stretch it'll be smooth enough, as well as it'll be a good location to pick up a good GPS signal. So let me grab the controller. It's all turned on. We're gonna go ahead and do some passes. I apologize for the wind, guys. It is pretty windy, but this is a stretch right along here where I need to watch out because this is where the splitter might catch. So that's why I'm gonna go a bit further down here. Alrighty, guys, I have it down there. I walked down a little ways. I'm gonna start it out way down there by where the road is rough. So right at the beginning of that, so we can avoid that altogether. And this whole stretch right here is looking pretty good. I just need to watch out because it's kind of a busy time of day, so there could be cars. And my biggest fear is crashing this thing. So here we go, guys. I am gonna go ahead and ease on the throttle. tire started spinning. All right, let's bring it back for another one. Here we go. Warming up the tires probably isn't a bad idea either, guys. Just getting these tires nice and warmed up. Make sure nobody's coming, and here we go. I don't know if you guys saw that, but there at the end, it wanted to spin out. The tires wanted to spin out there at the end. But it's still doing pretty well. It's not lifting like a sail like it once did, guys. A lot of people said it would. So far, it hasn't. Now, there might be a threshold. There might be a limit where if I go past it speed-wise, this thing might catch like a sail. But right now, I think it's that splitter and the canards that are keeping this thing planted to the ground. I think it's clear. Let's go ahead and let's go do a pass. Get it turned around. Make sure it's still clear. And here we go, guys. Easy on the throttle. Oh, something. It either hit a rock or something flew off. It might have hit a rock. Let's bring it in. I'm hoping a piece of canard didn't come off. Was it the GPS? No, the GPS is still on. We might have just hit a rock there. I don't know if you guys saw that. Well, let's try another pass while we still have an opportunity to. Take it back down. That one was a decent pass, but I did not get up to full throttle at any point. Let's go ahead and easing on the throttle. Nope, that time spun out of control. So that is the issue. The body might be causing some issue with lift, and there's no weight on the rear. Maybe at this point I do need a wing. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Do you think I need a wing? Or do you think I'm gonna be able to do this without a wing? Because the back feels light, if that makes sense. The back end feels like it doesn't have any weight down on it now. And we got a vehicle coming, so here we go. Easing on the throttle. Let's bring it back this direction. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, here's our opportunity. Might be a vehicle coming. Let's go ahead and go. Come on. Okay. That's about our range. Here we go. Easing on the throttle. I've got those little indestructible body pieces out. I don't know if you guys can see that. So maybe that'll help a little bit. We will see. We'll go ahead, turn it around there. And let's go ahead and do a pass, guys. Easing on the throttle. Okay, that guy went the other direction, so that's good. So we can do another pass from this way. Oh, no! Shit. Crap, guys. I need to pick up all the pieces before a car comes, which there's already a car coming. So I need to run. I need to pick up everything before this car gets here and get off to this freaking side. There we go. I think I got everything. That ended badly, very badly. The canard must have hit the ground or something. It slid off into the gravel. Shit. That's the most we got, guys. 72.3 miles per hour. We're well short of 100, but that's the fastest we've ever gone with the body on, though. So that's something. Let me know what you guys think I should do in the comments. Here's that 3D printed wheelie bar in shambles, in absolute pieces. That's gonna be no good anymore. Let's see, was it just the canard that ripped off? Or the splitter, I should say. Looks like it might have just been the splitter that broke again, which I can just re-glue. So if that's the only thing that broke, that's actually pretty fortunate. This is starting to come out, that screw. But we're probably gonna be done for today's video, guys. Well, let's check the other GPS real quick. Oh, this flew out. Okay, let me pull the body off. We'll check that other GPS and see what it came up with, or if it came up with anything. All right, and there's something wrong with this. This isn't picking up signal where I'm at. I think that's the issue. 43. I'm going by this one, 72. So, anyway, guys, this ended in a bit of a bummer. Most of them have ended in a bit of a bummer, but this one a little bit more so. I thought we'd get a little bit more speed out of it. I thought these tires would make a little bit bigger difference. I feel like I need another spot. This spot's just so freaking busy. I came at a bad time of day, but still, I'm hustling just to try to get out of the road because there's cars constantly coming. And this is the straightest road I can find. But anyway, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my video as well as my channel. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because we are not done with the 100mph Traxxas Slash Project. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think I need to do? What adjustments do I need to make to actually get this thing up to 100 miles per hour? I think we can do it with the body. I really do. I think after showing you guys that, we got up to 72. I think it's possible with the body, a short course body, to get up to 100 miles per hour. I think it's there. But right now, the rear end is very, very loose, and it's sliding out from underneath. But anyway, guys, leave your suggestions in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.